We are back inside of Roblox. In today's video, we are playing Speedrun 4. Why is my voice like this? I don't know. Yeah, but today we're playing Speedrun 4. Or I guess we speedrun things. Oh god, that guy looks like he just died. Let's see this. What the heck? Okay, yeah, so we're basically just speedrunning the game. I think I've played this a little bit before in the past in my old Roblox days. Just thought I'd come back to this game because, yeah, it's like a classic. I died. I'm so good. I died on the first stage. Wow, that really expresses how good I am. I think I got a little far. Today, our goal is, though, to complete the whole Speedrun 4 game experience. Now, that might not happen, and we might have to split this into parts, but I also put in a code, like, normal. And in my alt, there was, like, a dimension thing that I put in. I don't know. It was, like, a space dimension. I'm not really sure. I'm not an expert on this game. I'm not a Speedrun 4 YouTuber. I'm just doing random games in the channel nowadays. And if you like that about my channel, subscribe, I guess, because that's all I can tell you if you want to see more videos like this. I don't want to focus on just one game. It's happened to me in the past. I focused on like 5 different games, like Dungeon Quest, All-Star Tower Defense. Who plays that anymore, let's be honest. Critical Tower Defense. Okay, I will be doing some more of that. That is pretty fun. Then there is Bed Wars, which that's probably the most content we're going to be doing in this channel. I will get back into a little bit of Bed Wars, but for now, random games I think is fine. We can still do Bed Wars. We can come back to some of these random games. I'm also going to be doing some popular games, but if you guys have any game suggestions, please tell me them. Now, this is the easiest stage in the entire game, I've heard. Also, you know how Easter is coming up? I have this, like, new Roblox gift card Easter item, and I also have, like, a face to match it. It's like, I don't know, it was a pretty expensive face. It really put a dent in my wallet.
Yeah, I agree.
It's like an avatar. Not load. Also, I don't care about the timer right there. Like Sinister, it's like 1,001 Robux. Yeah, something I don't know. It's pretty expensive, but yeah, it's basically like the flamingo is stealing all your Easter eggs. The flamingos will take over Easter. I'm gonna make that for chapter 3 of the Silent Home game. Wow, yeah, easiest stage. I just died. Just pretend that never happened. How about we do that? How about we just pretend that never happened? Okay, shift lock is just kind of doing very well for me. Oh my god. I'm like a gamer right now. I'm gaming. I'm god at this game. Whoa, look at me go. I'm speedrunning for the 4th time via Speedrun 4. Yeah. Don't believe me? Well, you're in luck. I have proof. That's what the game's called. Okay, I need to stop. I need mental help. I always die in that part. I remember I used to. If I died there, I would have literally peed my pants and ended the video. Got moon area with crystals. This seems like a moon area. Or it's a cave area. I don't know. It's either a moon or a cave area. I just saw black and I was like, oh yeah, this is probably a moon, but I see crystals. I never assumed this was a cave. It actually might be. Because I used to play this game all the time. That's why I already have some of the back. Okay, literally, that wasn't even my fault. Oh yeah, I remember this glitch. I actually got up from that glitch once. But like, that wasn't even my fault. My finger fell off the keyboard. I swear I'm not even trying to make exclusives. Pets. Can I make that? No, I can't. I was like, can I make that? I'm like, no, I can't. Speedrun! Go, go, go. Gotta go fast, gotta go fast, gotta go fast, gotta go fast, gotta go fast. Easy. Pretty elbozo for the rocks. Why am I'm just thinking about my life decisions. Why am I falling on like the easiest obby? If I just fell there, the same thing would have happened that I was just mentioning. We got like a holographic zone. That's pretty cool. There better be some cool boss fight at the end of this. I'm not going all this way. Ooh, pro tip right there. The top 5 tips you can use in Speedrun 4. You can skip that thing. Gosh, I'm gonna become a Speedrun 4 YouTuber. Watch me. No, I'm just gonna be doing some random games. If you want that, just like the video, subscribe, do what all the clickbaity YouTubers tell you, even though I'm not clickbait at all, totally. I even said in an old video I was clickbaiting, and I was like, in the title I said sorry for clickbait. I was so. How did I die there? Did the penguin kill me? I always knew penguins were up to no good. They be killing me in Bed Wars. Now they're killing me in this game. How does water kill me? Like if you were to, how does water kill you? Okay, if it's like too cold to exterminate you in like 20 seconds, then how did these penguins swim in this thing? Or, I mean, it does make sense that they're all out of the water, but like, jeez. Where do I go now? Here, yeah. Jump! Long jump. That's a pretty long, stretchy jump. I mean, nothing. The YouTube, don't ban me. I said nothing. Oh yeah, this one I can spam, I'm pretty sure. I love these. Oh, I can just hold it down. That's helpful. Oh, I almost just fell there. You shoot. Okay, I gotta be careful. Yeah.
Are you still talking to Ryan?
No, I'm making a video. I died.
Well, I'd like to know when you're gonna do your assignment.
I died.
Cool.
This looks like a toxic area type thing. I suck at this game. Oh, and now we're in hell. Great. Why? Why am I so dumb? Like, there's another platform here for a reason. Like, why don't I just... No! What my instincts are so bad. In some ways. Watch me speedrun this. Speedrun. Speedrun 4. Speedrun 4. I'm speedrun 4ing this. Whoa. I'm speedrun 4ing speedrun 4. Please be a platformer. Easy, oh my god, why do people struggle? No! That was like the saddest death in the history of, well, deaths. Wait. Wall-hop! Wall-hop! I suck. I always wanted to go to the big city. Man, these stages are so dumb. More like I am so dumb. Also, how does ground kill you? Like right now, if I were to just fall off like that, I wouldn't die. How about this? You just go down here. I don't think this would kill you. Like theoretically, this is like okay. That would definitely like break like 2 of my bones at least, but it wouldn't kill me. Okay, this is a skyscraper. This would kill me. This would get close. That would not kill me right there. Because I hugged that wall before going on impact to there. So, that technically would not have killed me. If we were using real life physics. Which this game is really good at, obviously. Alright, watch me speedrun for this. Speedrun 4. Oh my god. I just sped run how fast I could die on this. What does this button do? Well, I can teleport. Level 10. Oh, that's this one. Oh. Okay. Bring me back, maybe? Maybe? Thank you. Speedrun. 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 Speedrun, 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 speedrun. Every jump I say speedrun, 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 speedrun. Okay, so how do we do this? How do I do this situation? This is a little bit of a situation, right? Let me take a screenshot of that. I'll send it to the devs. Not that way, not that way. No, other way. No, wrong way, wrong way. No. Wait, no, come on. No. That right there, we could have had it. I have a good wait. I want to just test something quickly and see if something's possible. That was close. Let me go back to this road area. Actually, okay. Wait, if I can do this, yeah. See, I can't. See, you can get up by doing that because that's a slant. So if I ever fall, I should try going for the side, which is probably a slant. Okay, I'm done with life at the moment. What's in the store? Dimensions, unique, random. What do dimensions even do? I think they like change what the map looks like or something. I don't even know. Yes! Oh, there's a second beach area. Let's go. What stage are we even on? What stage are we on? What stage am I on? I am on stage. There are what, 30 stages? 29 stages, something like that. I'm on stage 11, so I've done like a third of the game, and we've already died. I wish it said how many times you've died. Oh, it usually does that in obby games, though. Okay, listen, game. That's no. I disagree. I disagree with that. No. Speedrun. Dream music. Cue the epic dream music. I disagree. Wait, is there a no? This game is kind of hard, not gonna lie, but it's pushing my buttons. Speedrun. I almost just died there. Alright, I'm so close. Yes, I can see the end. I can see the end. Wait, what? How? Oh, right there. I was right there. I quit. Yeah, I quit.